Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and this funnel from Pisol is a must-have kitchen accessory. This funnel is awesome because all you need is this one funnel top, and then you have the option to change the attachments into 4 different sizes. The top of this funnel has a really nice wide bowl shape opening, which makes it extremely easy to empty contents into any other container without creating the mess. I love that there are 4 other size attachments that you can simply just screw onto the bottom to be able to direct your ingredients into your bottle mess-free. I love to use this especially when I'm dealing with liquids and oils. So we typically transfer our cooking oils into another jar, and using one of the smaller funnel tips, it makes it so easy and I'm not spilling it all over the place anymore. I also like that I don't just have to use this funnel in the kitchen. This is perfect for me when I am making my homemade soaps as well. I am able to just change the attachment, plop it right on top of my soap bottle, and then easily add in all my ingredients without having to worry about getting it just into that little small opening. It really makes transferring ingredients, dry or wet, into other containers so much easier. I also like that this set comes with 2 different size strainers that you can put on top too. The set itself also stores really nicely. All of the different tips stack right on top of each other, and I just store mine with them right inside the main portion of the funnel, so then everything is all together. This funnel helps to save me from creating unnecessary messes in my kitchen. It is so easy to use and so versatile, and that's just my point of view.